Types of vitrified tiles and their differences. Dear friends, vitrified tiles are a type of ceramic tile with very low porosity, made by vitrification, melting silica and clay into glass. They are durable, shiny, and water-resistant, making them popular for both residential and commercial flooring. Here are the main types of vitrified tiles and their differences. 1. Full-body vitrified tiles. The color and design run uniformly throughout the thickness of the tile, surface to bottom. Features. Scratches and wear are less visible. Very strong and durable. Suitable for high-traffic areas like malls, railway stations, and airports. Drawback. Limited design and color options compared to glazed ones. 2. Glazed vitrified tiles, GVT. These have a glazed, polished surface coating on top of the tile. Features. Can have any design, texture, or pattern: wood, marble, stone, 3D designs. More decorative and aesthetically versatile. Available in matte, glossy, satin, and rustic finishes. Drawback. Slightly less durable than full-body tiles in heavy traffic zones, because the top glaze layer can wear off. 3. Double-charge vitrified tiles. 2 layers of pigment are fed into the tile press, creating a thick design layer, around 3 to 4 millimeters on top. Features. Highly durable and resistant to wear. Patterns last longer, since they are thicker than GVT's surface design. Good balance between aesthetics and strength. Drawback. Limited in terms of complex or high-resolution designs compared to GVT. 4. Soluble salt vitrified tiles, manufactured by screen printing patterns with liquid colors and then polishing. Features. Economical compared to other types. Used widely in budget projects. Drawback. Designs are basic, not as detailed as GVT. Less durable, prone to stains and scratches over time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more valuable and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.